Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Now, what I want you to do is to keep watching for my review. This wig is 360 degrees curling iron safe. Because we do have on our protective style, and we've been wearing this protective style for a while, we will just be doing an unboxing on this unit that I'm going to show you today. And her name is Spencer. Now, the braided hair that I used to create this beautiful style that I'm wearing, protective style, is from the Modu Anytime collection. This is how Spencer's going to come to you. And you can also replace Spencer back into this plastic bag for storage, okay? So you have this to store your unit in very easily. Now, straight out of the packaging, she will have her hair net that you will remove from her. Now, to keep the shape of this full cap wig, this cardboard has been inserted inside along with some cushion, okay? So you're gonna get that out, take that out with the cardboard. I would keep this because this would come in handy if you want to keep the shape of your wigs. I wouldn't throw this away because I do this when I put my wigs back into their bag. I keep this cardboard and it keeps the shape of them, okay? Now this is Spencer straight out of the packaging. She is a color number 4. As you see, she does have some layering going on. I'm liking that already. Very natural looking. She's a yaki textured unit. She gonna have some layering with her. This one is really natural looking. Lightweight, ladies, ready for the summer, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is show you what the cap construction inside Spencer looks like, okay? She is a full cap wig, okay? Okay, so here is Spencer's inside cap construction. She has the bendable ear tabs on the side, and she has the adjustable straps. But Spencer does not have any combs in her whatsoever. For you ladies that don't like the combs, Spencer does not have any combs whatsoever. Wear your wig grip and keep it moving because she is gorgeous straight out of the packaging. Spencer has a lot of play to her because she has all these beautiful layers, right? And once you comb those layers and lift that hair up, Spencer just comes to life. She's really adorable. Oh, that is so pretty. Now, if you're looking for that natural looking texture wig, this is a very natural looking texture on this wig. Really nice. Spencer, you go, girl. Loving this one. Now, after I combed Spencer out, I did receive some shedding, just to let you know that you will receive some shedding with this unit, okay? If you've been looking for a site that carries the Modu Anytime wigs, go to and take advantage of their 25% off sale they're having right now. If you spend over $100, they're going to take 25% off of your total cost. That's not bad, okay? Yeah, loving this one. Definitely add Spencer to your collection. She is adorable. Thanks so much for watching my show and tell or unboxing, however you want to perceive this, okay? But thank you so much for watching. All the information will be down in my description box, okay? Bye-bye.